Hi creators, this is Sabby and I welcome you to the Republic of Creators, an ecosystem of resources to help you master your YouTube and online video. The other day, I had the opportunity to talk with Max Miller with Tasting History YouTube channel. If you don't know who Max is, well, you should, because he's somebody that has grown his channel to 250,000 subscribers with only 25 videos. On his channel, he combines cooking with history. In this video, I asked him if he has a tip for new content creators, and I think he said exactly what I say to everyone I meet as well. You need to watch this video to know what this one tip is. Now, this is the clip from our podcast interview, and the full episode is available both in audio and video. Links to both will be in the description box below. Also, after you watch this video, I invite you to join the Republic, most importantly, our meetup group, where hundreds of content creators meet every week to share best practices, grow their tribe, build an influence, because at Republic of Creators, we truly believe together we learn and united we create. Now let's go and watch this clip. What would be, Max, your tips for new and any upcoming content creator? And I must say you're very new as well, but you may have had some mental blocks as well that may have made you start a little later than you would have wanted to. I don't know. But again, would you have any tips for new and upcoming content creators?
Yes. Just make those first videos, even if you don't put them out there, because you learn a lot by just making the videos. There's so much more to it than just sitting in front of a camera. Because actually my first two videos never saw the light of day. I ended up redoing them and those saw the light of day, but those first couple videos didn't, because I was learning so much in each one. I was like, well, this next one's going to be the one. That said, at a certain point, you just have to pull the trigger. And so I gave myself a date. I said by the end of February, I would post my first video. And so that Tuesday, that last Tuesday, I did just that. But, do as much homework as you can, but give yourself a date that you actually have to start pushing stuff out. Otherwise, it will stay on your computer forever.